Phakela umthakathi wesinye isikhathi ubuya akhulume kube ngathi udakiwe. Ngiyamangala ngoba akaphuza akabhemi. Kanti udakwa yini uphakela umthakathi ngoba zikhona nje izinkulumo zakhe ukuthi mawuyilalela uzokuthi udakiweke namhlanje uphakela umthakathi uphuzile. Awungitshele phakela umthakathi mawuthi wena you will create 1 million job as ubani. Wena uthi uzo create imisebenzi e1 million in 6 months time towards the end of this year. Uzo create imisebenzi e1 million njengobani? Ubani wena? Ubani mfoka ndabandaba? Ubani phakela umthakathi ngoba wena umfana nje wakwaNongoma ongelutho nje emphakathini ngaphandle kokuba insizwa emobilizer ezinye insizwa ukuthi kuphushwe lento yobunsizwa kuphela nje. You are nothing engakwazi ukuthi icreate amathuba omsebenzi ngoba nawe usadinga umsebenzi kwayiwena udinga umsebenzi ukuthi uyosebenza phakela umthakathi. Sometimes wena phakela umthakathi ikhona lento ekudakayo angazi ukuthi yini lento ekudakayo kodwa wena ikhona into othi mawuyidlile udakwe. Uyabo ukhuluma lapha yana uthi wena uzohambela amazwe ase-Africa amazwe alamakwerekwere esiwaxoshayo la eSouth Africa uthi wena uzowalandela emazweni awo uyozama ukwamobilizer masimba manje la uphakela umthakathi. Wena phela umthakathi uyayibhema insangu wena emakhoneni nje ngiyakusola la ngasensangweni ngoba zikhona izinkulumo zakho oyayuthi mawuyikhuluma kuzwakale ongathi kune element yensangu. Uyabo uzwakale ukuthi engathi kubhemileke namhlanje. Even ngisho lapha mawuhola insizwa kuyakubonakala nje amanye ama-actions anenswebu nje yensangu ubone ukuthi sekunomtsangu-ke lobo sekunogufti kubhemile manje uyabona sekwenza kanje kubheme ngempela futhi kubheme le yamahashi. Uyabo ngiyakhuza-ke mfoka ndabandaba njengengqwele yakho ukuthi yehlisa baba yehlisa remain nje kwi-level yakho uremain kwi-position yakho yeka ukuphapha yeka uku-exaggerate yeka ukukhuluma kakhulu kuze kweqe kade
ngoMax mfoka Makhanya. Angijwayele ukuyenza ivideo njengale kodwa nje ngizokhuluma ngoMax Makhanya kule video. Cela ukuthi uyilalele ukuze uzothi ngoMax. uMax omunye wabantu abaziwa nababukela njengeyinhlanya zala ku social media noma zala ku TikTok kakhulu. Omunye wabantu uMax owaziwa njengomuntu ongasile ekhanda. Ngenxa ke yezinto ake yikhulume bese abantu bemjada noma bemhlonza njengomuntu ongasile ekhanda. Engeke futhi ngibaphikise ngoba basuke nezathu zabo zokubona ukuthi akasile noma akaphilile ekhanda ngeke ngikwazi ukubaphikisa ngoba bayakusho lokho. But engasini kuka Max lokho ayikho. Mina ngiyayingalalela ama video sometimes akhe. Ngicinga ukuthi lokho ngasi kwakhe ikuphi engisuke ngakuthatha mina kungisebenzele bese ngishiya lokho engeze ukwenza lutho. Ngicabanga ukuthi nomunye umuntu usezomsiza lokho ukuthi into esikukhulunywa umuntu ongasile cinga lokho wena obona ngathi kungakusebenzela lokho ngakudini ukushiya kanjalo uyekela abanye mhlawumbe abanye bayokuthatha kubasebenzele. uMax izolo enza ivideo ekhuluma ngophakela umthakathi umfoka nabandaba. Baningi abantu enginesho ukuthi uMax bambuke njengomuntu oqhuba khona ukungasi mayithi sometimes uphakela umthakathi akayenzi sense into nayikhulumayo aziyenzi sense. Baningi labantu mhlawumbe ngendlela uMax abeke ngayo abamthathisa komuntu odunyelwa yikhanda kanti uMax nayikhuluma uyayazi uqinisile. Umfoka nabandaba siyabonga bafowethu umkhulu umsebenzi asenzela wona njengezwe la South Africa siyawubona futhi ngeke sesiwuphike mkhulu nje kakhulu siyawubonga impela siyawubona kodwa ubeqinisile uMax mayithi sometimes uyayikhuluma izinto ezingayenzi sense. Uyazi ukuthi njengamanje sabantu sinemibuzo nje eminingi emakhanda ethi ungaki ongelona iqiniso kanti asesitshele khona nasa azositshela khona umfoka nabandaba kungaki. Ukubuza lo mbuzo akusho ukuthi sikhohliwe ukuthi uyalwela izwe asikhohliwe lokho but kungaki ongelo uyabona bafowethu uqala nje kamfoka nabandaba ayophimisela inkulumo eyilolo yahlobo ethi yena wayengakwazi ukuthi athathe bizwe emithingini naye ebedotomo abanye abantu eyana bemithingini wes imeeting ngamongameli wayengakwazi even ukuthi athathe ingane yakhe ayoyishuthisa nomengameli. Uyabona ukukhuluma leyo nkulumo kumfakile phela umzwe phansi kwebhasi angeke sikubalekele lokho. Ngine video engayenza ngathi mina ungizwe imagine mash yena usefuna ukuyiphendula isidleke seyihlobo zakhe. Into esengiyibona uphakela umthakathi naye imagine mash uyayisebenzisa ukukhulisa ifoundation yakhe yensizwa nomsizwa. Kusho ukuthi lapha ku-imagine mash kunabantu kunama parties abone i-opportunity angayisebenzisela ukuzizuzisa asisho ukuthi balwele izwe kodwa siyabantu senzela ukuthi nabo kusasa bengafana labaholi abakhona okumashwa ngenxa yabo namhlanje ngoba nabo abakhona basuke mhlawumbe bavunyelwe eqaleni basengeyimithi bavunyelwa bagcina sebeyilento abayiyo namhlanje bakhonvinsa abantu ngezinto ezinye ezingelona iqiniso basaba abantu batshela ukuthi hayi umholi bagcina nabo asithanda ukuthi befane lezidla mkhuba ezingasakwazi ukusilalela siyizwe vele la nkulumo mfowethu ungizwe ngiyazibuza ukuthi umfaka ndabandaba ukwenza kanjani ukuthi ngempela bafuthu abe nesibindi ngoba isibindi leyanto sokuthi ayo phambi kwabantu ayophimisela into azi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi ayilona iqiniso ayophimisela into ngalolu yahlobo azi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi uqiniso bayo buthini because inkulumo yakhe mina nje ngizwe njengenkulumo ethi ikhona imputhu ekhona lapha kwi-Imagine Mash kusho ukuthi umuntu nje bafuthu omi ngeqiniso entweni awayisungula uMangobesa awayisungula ngoba ngempela ezolwela abantu ngempela elwela ngempela abantu ba South Africa dala guys kuyacaca ukuthi bazoyizizuzisa bona namaphakethe abo nezisu zabo kuyacaca nje asikusho kabi lokho cha asikusho kabi but ngiyasibuka nje isibindi esikhona kumfaka ndabandaba sengiyakholwa ukuthi phela umthatha isibindi umbuzo uthi ungaki ongelona iqiniso asesitshele khona sabantu nasazositshela khona siyabantu ongelona iqiniso mhlawumbe kuyosihisha futhi kusasa because mina nje sefike esigabeni la esenginama-doubt khona ukuthi ngempela wake wawungabe 20 million ngabe 20 million ngisakhumbula i-amount ithini but nje sengifika la senginama-doubt khona ukuthi hayi futhi ayikho into njengaleyo angifikiswa lapho uqagela ngifikiswa ilento eyenzakalayo ukuthi sometimes umfaka ndabandaba uba ikhuluma into ubone ukuthi bese ngekho isidingo salento yazi bengabalekile kangaka ukuthi angayiveza yabona ngengathi ngibuka i-podcast yakhe no Skim GP le podcast ngathi nokuyibuka I think ngathi khona khona lesibili ayenze I think kwa i-birthday yakhe mangaphosisi le podcast I think angifika ngisho ku 4 minutes ngiyibuka because ngezwe isiqalo sayo ngangabuza nje uqinisa isiqalo sayo vele ngezwe nje ngiphelwa ukuthanda lokuyilalela ngathi mangiyilalela isiqalo sayo lo first 3 minutes ngavele ngayizwa iqala ukuthi ngathi mina ngihambisana nokuyilalela ngoba bangilalela kwanezinto ezingayenzi nje sense kuyo kwanezinto nje eyiningi futhi kunesikhathi esincane nje esu3 minutes kwanezinto nje eyiningi ezingayenzanga sense le podcast ngavele ngayiyeka kanjalo ngaqhubeka nayo iyo qala ngayilalela ngayiqeda loqala ngalo qala ngayilalela ngayiqeda but lesibili ingehluleni ingafiki nje ku 4 minutes because ngezwani ngezwe izinto ezingayenzi sense lezi beyikhulunywa uMax Izolo bese ngeke isidingo saleyanda bese ngeke isidingo sokuthi umfaka ndabandaba ngoba phela umfaka ndabandaba laphana ungizwe umvule wamveza njengomuntu unprofessional wamveza njengomuntu oyihlathi owenza nokuhlathi futhi ukuthi ethi bizwa umongameli athatha uqaba ngizosho kanjalo ayo nalo mongameli knowing very well ukuthi lena ikhulumayo ubuqiniso bayo buthini buthi lokho kwenziwe abantu abahamba nongizwe nobe kade hamba nalo kwandaba ingani kwenzile belingekho iphutha ekushutheni bafowethu asikubeke nje caca alikho iphutha ekushutheni iphutha lisentweni ekhulumekile engelona xa uyiqiniso ukushutha lona iphutha asisho futhi ukuthi ozoso nomba zogcwele nongoba makhosi babe ingxenye yemithi cha sisho kanjalo mhlawumbe bayingasiyona kodwa bashutha ngoba bathi siphi isidingo sokuthi umfaka ndabandaba abiza abantu abizindatheli azokhuluma into azikahle kamhlophe ukuthi ayisilona iqiniso eveza isenzo sikangizwe njengokuhlathi ebe azikahle kam ingakho ngithi ikhona into ekhona lapha kwi-Imagine vele bafethu ikunze ezimbili ngeke zabusa sibayina sisodwa sizulu lesa sitoliwe sizulu ngeke zabusa sibayina sisodwa lithini ikusasa le-Imagine Mash makuje lithini ikusasa le-Imagine Mash makuje ikusasa lenhlangano eyasungulwa uMangobesa ngoba enenhloso lithini ikusasa la uma kunje kanje ngoba kukhomba ukuthi nobani uzoyizuzisa yena but via Imagine Mash.
Okay. Phakela Umthakathi wenze i-media briefing. Ngiyayimamela. This is my advice to uPhakela Umthakathi. I wish uPhakela Umthakathi can talk less. Iyavakala. Because now ukuthetha kwakhe kakhulu and aphethetha nezinto angamelanga uyazithetha. First and foremost, I notice ego yakhe too much. Too much ego. And always he blow his horn too much. And always thathu uya exaggerate kwezinto ezininzi. Okwesine some of his statements zakhe azenzi sense if umamele kakuhle. He likes to talk too much about himself. Like he likes to praise himself so much. As if he's someone who needs some validation, validation. But anyway, immediate briefing yakhe, I wish ebevele wa focus ekufundeni statement instead bathethe kakhulu and wait for the questions. I also got annoyed by the fact that ibingaphandle and even akuphazamiseka okuthile. So let's jump straight to it. Phakela Umthakathi claimed ukuthi yena the invitation okanye not claim but that's what he says was directed to him, so there was no point of him inviting uJacinta because invitation ibijongene naye. Well, not sonke we just fall for any statement, right? The first thing, the question should be then, ingaba ungizwe na bebizwe president, ingaba uKing also bebizwe president, is ingaba that other guy that was there, I think there were 1 or 2 more guys that were there, were they also invited by the president? Because if uthi nyani president bebize njena yedwa and he wanted to use as a statement, then he should have been there alone by himself, but he was able ukuya nongizwe nophakela umthakathi nabanye abantu and not uJacinta. I don't buy it. I think he's just being we as defender. 2, uphakela umthakathi uthi, I mean, even if ke bengayanga no Jacinta, at least just a text, just a phone call, you know, but mamela man Jacinta, if many call ku president, you know, something like that, man, it wouldn't have caused any harm. Well, uthi no Jacinta indoda uchatile unendoda so bengenakwazi uthetha naye nendoda yakhe, but in one of the videos wayechilo wathi umuntu akhuluma naye indoda kaJacinta. Then why don't you call the husband if you guys have that type of relationship? Okay, so, and uthi phakela umthakathi man, I don't know, I feel ukuthi and okwesibini uyaz exaggerate ezinye izinto. Uthi he's going to build 1 million jobs. How is he going to do it? Like literally, is he the one who's going to be creating those jobs? And he uthi create 1 million jobs and nguye and it blows too much of ihorn yakho, but there is no man that can lead like him in the entire South Africa. There is no man that can take some challenges like him. He's very strong here, mentally, physically, and spiritually, and etc. That, you know, such talks ziyakuthanda ukunannoya mina because ubuzwe ngubani. Okay, anyway, what else I wanted to say about uphakela umthakathi? So yeah, man, and these 257,000 men that he claimed uyaba leader and everything, uthi uye waya phaya, uRamaphosa, he just called this man, wanted to meet them face to face just to get the assurance ukuthi meeting is about safe, and that meeting only took 10 minutes. I mean, guys, who buys that? Who buys that? That thing, something like that could have been done via telephonically, right? What else? So guys, that's just my take, man. Kuphakela umthakathi ba khawehlisa isanje man, khawehlisa ukuthetha man, hey, because ngoku and again namva kwenye thetha about the circumcision in one of the videos ukuthi how people should be circumcised, and yaqonda ukuba hey ukuthetha too much sometimes kuyayibhudisa indlela. So I wish and I can talk less. And okwesibini, why was Ngizwe not part of that press briefing? And if there was a valid reason, I think it would have made sense to say Umfowethu Ngizwe could not make it because of A, B, and C. I think uMphakela Umthakathi exposure and maybe some level of power is getting into his head. See you guys on the next one.
Phakathi awuzama ukuhlukana nathi because wena umama wakho akabuyila kunento engenza mistake Msunu kaNyoka uyisilime esikhulu wena nentshebe le engagezi ungazosithusela kanti singazazi wena monenkinga nabazali bakho hamba eZimbabwe ufuna abazali bakho asibuye eZimbabwe thina uyinja wena udla amagazi abanye abantu njandini utshela umchulu lo Msunu wakho ungikwatisa kakhulu. Nginabantwana abayi-3 eZimbabwe. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Nginabantwana abayi-3 eZimbabwe. Wena ubhizi wenza imali ngathi. Uthi umZulu. UmZulu wamasimba. Msunu kanyoko. Ngikutshela iqiniso wenze into ofuna ukuyenza uma ufuna. Ubheka yabona ubuso bamnapho ukhona. Wenze into ofuna ukuyenza. Silima ndini.
You will create 1 million job as ubani.
Habe. Ezuphakela umthakathi. Wena Max ubuye ungidide nje mina. Yabo wena ukuba uyaphuza utshwala, angikwazi noma uyaphuzana. Kodwa mangathi uyaphuza ngempela, wena ungakusangana wena straight. Wena ungagula straight. Yabo nje angikuunderstand angikuqondi wena. Yabona ke uthi uzocreate 1 million jobs. Kuzothi kuphela lonyaka abantu aba1 million bazobe sebesebenza eSouth Africa. Wena ubukhona ubuka la. Ubuka la ethi bazohamba. Awukubuzanga ukuthi njengobani wena uthi bazohamba. Awukubuzanga lokho. Bahambile futhi basahamba. Uthuli ngalokho usukhuluma ngemsebenzi manje. Yabo. Njengophakela umthakathi. Ufike wathi bazohamba, bayahamba, abanye bahambile. Awukushongo lutho ngalokho ngoba uyabona ukuthi kuyenzeka. Kudoable. Uphindile wathi mhla ka30 la eSouth Africa uphakela umthakathi wakhipha idate wathi mhla ka30 June ideadline yokuthi abantu bokufika fanele bese behambile. Awuzange ubuze ukuthi unquma mhla ka30 njengobani. Awukubuzanga lokho Max. Hayibo. Unqumile leyo mhla ka30. Uthema ususondela umhla ka30 kwatatazelo president wabizwa opresident kwamanzi phansi ngoba bebona ukuthi nali lizwe lizobhubha bo. Wabatshela ukuthi ngeke lize libhubhe. Awukubuzanga lokho ukuthi njengobani. Uthi ngeke libhubhe nje njengobani. Ama-march abekhona eSouth Africa yonke ama-province wonke wo9 abengewona ku9 ama-march akade ekhona eSouth Africa ngoba i-province ne-province ibingenayo i-march eyodwa kodwa enzekile wonke abeyimpumelelo. Awukubuzanga lokho ukuthi iphakela umthakathi lokhu ukwenza njengobani. Hayi kahle Max. Yabona njengoba behamba labantu bahamba baphuma emafemini baphuma enkampanini. Njengamanje sikhuluma thina kunabantu asebeqashiwe enkampanini bayasebenza ngoba inkampani ifuna ioperate. Uma sebehambile laba kufanele inkampani ioperate iqashwe abantu. Kunabantu asebesebenza kumanje. Ngikutshele mina. Awubuza ukuthi lokhu kwenza njengobani. Yabo. Kuzothi mase kuphela uDisemba lapha seyenzekile lento oyishoyo. Ungabisayibuza lento uthi uyenze njengobani lento. Wena ubuye ungidide nje wena. Ubuye ungidide ngempela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is the first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. I was available shame uphakela umthakathi. So people are dragging him lapha enkundleni yokuqhumana ukuthi ukhulumela futhi ukhuluma exaggerated into akathule nje. Sometimes people are saying ukuthi akathule because sometimes ukhuluma nezinto letingekho acambe ngisho nanemanga. Max Makhanya was one of the people who was dragging him lapha enkundleni yokuqhumana ukuthi ngalesi isikhathi undabandaba ubonakala ngazuthi unokubhema something before akhuluma or unokunatha something before akhuluma because sometimes inkulumo yakhe iyaphambuka. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.